So you've been part of open source. You've been putting all of your projects on GitHub. You've been contributing to different projects, right? And you want to show the world like, hey man, this is what I do, okay? I'm going to show you a tool that's going to help you get jobs because it's going to demonstrate the skills that you have. Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Alright, listen, I have something very cool that I just found out just yesterday. Some people probably know about it, right? But I know the majority of you guys don't know about it, because if I didn't know about it, I know you will know about it, right? So, a couple of people know about it. But this thing called Sorcerer.io, I believe that's the name of it. I'm going to put the link below. I'm going to put the link somewhere here on the screen. I don't know. But it's pretty cool, and I'm going to tell you why. Because let's say you've been uploading all of your repos to GitHub, right? And you've been working on things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, WordPress, PHP, Laravel, or even working on Node.js, Adonis.js, MySQL, MongoDB, whatever you're working on, right? This website will go into your GitHub, right? It goes in there. Trust me, trust it, right? It's a pretty cool website. It's only reading your data, but it goes through your data and checks out all the projects that you've been working on. It even looks at, like, do you do spaces, do you do tabs? It looks at everything, right? It even could tell you that you're actually in the top 10 JavaScript developers, or top 99% of JavaScript developers. Like, it's legit. Now, this is why I think this website is very powerful. Number one, like, literally now, whenever somebody says, hey man, check out my GitHub, I'd rather go through the Sorcerer.io profile. You know why? Because I'm actually going to go in there and get the details. Like, sometimes you don't have time to go into somebody's GitHub and look at every single project that they worked on. But this website actually just goes in there, looks at your profile, looks at everything that you've done, and presents it in a really nice way. It gives you nice charts, it gives you nice details. It tells you, like, what's the languages that this person uses, you know, what type of projects they've done. Like, it's legit, right? Now, I'm really pissed off that I didn't think of this, right? It's one of those things that I always say, man, always create something that solves a problem, okay? And this actually does solve a problem, right? A lot of times we just don't have that time, that luxury to just go through somebody's GitHub, right? So I'm definitely recommending every single one of you guys to sign up to Sorcerer.io, okay? I want every single one of you guys that's watching this right now to add this to your portfolio, to your profile, to your LinkedIn, to your Twitter, to whatever you have. Go and sign up, right? Because I'm telling you from experience, somebody that has hired other developers, a lot of times people don't have that time to go in there and look through all of your projects, right? But this gives me a great overview about what type of developer you are, how long you've been doing this. Like, it's so cool. Like, it even tells you, like, hey man, this person's been using JavaScript for 4 years or 6 years. Like, that's big. That's big in the sense of, like, hey, if I'm trying to hire somebody, now it tells me, hey man, this person's been doing JavaScript for years, right? Or it's been doing PHP for years, whatever it is, right? It just saves me that time. So I know a lot of people that is going to be hiring is going to be actually grateful that this tool is out there, because now developers can put up their portfolios, their profiles, their GitHub account in there, and then now people can just find you in that website, and you know, it's gonna be something big. I don't know if it's big yet. I'm just finding out about it right now, and I just felt this urge that I needed to show it to you guys because I want you guys to win. I want you guys to do your thing. All right. Now, if you are a brand new developer, trust me, this is the way to go. You know, start putting up your work on GitHub, and then at the same time, you know, join Sorcerer.io so you could have those stats there, and you could have it as a link from your portfolio and say, hey man, you want to check out my profile on Sorcerer.io, or you want to say something like, here's an overview of all of my skills, or here's an overview of all of my projects, etc. However you want to link it, right? And then you just link it to your portfolio, to, why I keep saying portfolio, to your profile, and then from there you should be good, okay? So Yeah, man, I'm just excited. You know, I love it when I find something that's cool and that I know can actually help people. Because it's like, man, those developers, they were smart. They thought of something cool. They made it happen, right? Like, it's not a very simple website. Like, they went in there, looked through all the work and created, you know, an amazing application, and it actually solves problems, right? Like, this is what I'm telling you guys. When you guys create something, think about what problem does it solve. You know what I mean? Like, I see people do JavaScript calculators and little things like that. It's like, bro, that's not solving nobody's problems, bro. Like, that, don't even add that to your portfolio. That's something that you do for yourself to just practice on JavaScript or something, or whatever languages you're doing it. But don't put that as your part of your, you know, portfolio. It's like, bro, like, look at what other people are building, kid. You know what I mean? Like, that's like me. It's like, hey, I'm gonna add into my portfolio. Here's a drop-down menu. It's like, come on, bro. Are you crazy? We in 2019. Are you seeing what people are actually making out here? Like, come on, man. Hey, guys, if you want to support the channel, CodingPhase.com, in any type of way, the best way is let me work for you, right? Let me teach you how to code. Let me make sure that you get your job. Let me make sure that you have a great portfolio. Let me make sure that you have real projects on your portfolio that you can actually show and say, hey, man, I've been doing this for a while, right? That you look like a professional. Let me help you out, right? That's it. We don't need no donations. We don't need nothing. Let me work for you. That's the best way that you can actually support me, right? So come into the website. Let me teach you how to code, CodingPhase.com. Yeah, that's what I do, man. All right, I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe, back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Peace.